In the program, there are 12 topics. The first set of 6 topics are about, first of all, telling them who is a contributor. Any contributor has 4 horses like Arjuna. One is, he has to be efficient, but he also must have character. Without character, just efficiency is not enough, or effectiveness not enough. And they must have that human concern. At the same time, they should be learning from their defeat, questions, challenges, and grow. And at the same time, they have to make a positive difference. In a sense, you can also imagine that this program is also acting like a guidebook to the students to ride in the future battle of their careers. Then there are some key things we are trying to teach them, like how they can break out of that shell, that comfort zone, and start developing this I can or this self-confidence attitude. So program is around that. Secondly, how they break this feeling of helplessness and start thinking of themselves as creators of your destiny. That is a separate unit. Then what does this sustainable success mean? What is the difference between getting a job and being sustainable success? And how through rain and shine you should be able to remain in a job and have a positive career and growth, etc. How to do that? And then one more unit is about giving them new pathways. Not just entrepreneurship, but also as a professional achiever, as researchers, knowledge builders, innovators, creators. So what are the pathways which are open to them so that we can widen their mind? And also how to unleash their power to contribute, because each student is actually a tremendous potential to contribute. So how they can contribute? These are first 6 units of the program that we have done. And there are second 6 units which are actually telling them how to succeed in the workplace. Then these, by the way, are the future-ready work practices that have come from corporates. So they are not something we have just thought of sitting there in a room. Just for your information, we work with some of the leading companies in India. We have worked with Tata Steel, we have worked with Tata Consultancy Services, we have worked with State Bank of India, with Asian Paints, all the top companies in India we also work with, not as a foundation but as our consulting arm. And we know from them that all these are required. And what are those practices? Like how to create value for your employer. Employer pays you money, you have to create value for him. It is not that he has given you a stipend just for sitting at work. And you have to find solutions instead of complaining about problems. And how to come together, collaborate and work together, because we need to use our collective intelligence. And how to dig deeper in any topic and engage deeply so that we find the hidden gems. That is true even in research. A great researcher is able to engage deeply and find the answers. Similarly, trust conduct so that they can maintain integrity in work life and they are able to be trusted by their peers. And of course, human centricity, that they have to show human concern and try to show empathy to people, because that is what actually builds them as human beings also. Now, this is also there in the program. Following which, we have shown them some project sessions, how to look at some of the real life contributors in their own life around them. And they have gone and looked at, this is an example of what students have looked at. Who are the contributors they see in their world around them? Second is, what are the problems around them they are facing in their locality? Can they find solutions? Third is that if tomorrow they are working in an environment, how will you try to behave in a contributor manner? If I'm a salesman, should I not be a contributor salesman? Not that I go and sell something wrong and try to get the sale at any cost. Or how do I try to look at people? How do I work with people? All these are also how a contributor behaves. So these project sessions we had given them. So this is kind of the program curriculum that we have given. As you can see, the curriculum is very focused on building this tree of sustainable careers and to strengthen our students. And the reason for this program, why AICTE has also tied up, is because such a program does not exist in our country, but our students need it very badly, of actually strengthening them at a deep level. So this is what we actually have set out to do.